Hiccups? I'm going to tell you where hiccups come from. This is our chest, and down here is a funny muscle. It helps us with breathing. Well, when the funny muscle goes angry, so much air quickly comes into our lungs and then hits our voice box. And then hic! That's how hiccups come from. Isn't it a very silly sound?